In today's video, you'll learn how to create great marketing videos without any experience or any expensive gear. You'll be able to create videos for social media, digital ads, internal communications, and more. Let's take it to the next level. Hi everyone, I'm Carl. Welcome to Next Level Video Marketing, a channel where you get the latest strategies and tips to help you achieve your marketing and business goals through video. Now remember, if this is your first time on this channel and you want to get the latest strategies to maximize the impact of your videos, hit the subscription button below, hit the little notification bell so you don't miss anything. So video is so prevalent today. I don't have to explain to you why it's a necessity for your business or any business. All the social platforms are prioritizing video, and it's a great way to market your business as well as communicate with your clients, your customers, or your prospects. Several years ago, I realized I needed to learn how to create videos because I didn't want to be at the mercy of having to hire videographers or video production agencies whenever a video needs to get created. And it also helped my ability to work with my creative teams a lot better. And even if I were hiring videographers, I could better understand, direct, and provide input on any type of videos that we're planning to shoot. Not to mention, I ended up shooting professionally on the side because I just enjoy creating videos. That's why I wanted to show marketers and business owners who want to create more videos to help market their business an easy way to do so without having any experience. And if they do hire a videographer or a video production agency, just a better understanding of what actually goes into creating a video. So to start, let's talk about some gear that you'll need. So when you're recording your marketing videos, especially if you're just starting out, there's only a couple of things you'll need. One is a camera, one is a stand, whether that's a tripod or a photo stand, a light source, which could be a window, and a lav mic. Now, if you're planning to use your phone, all you'll need is a very cheap photo stand, which you could probably get from Amazon for about $10, $20, an iPhone holder, another $10, and a lav mic, which is about $30. So all in all, everything that you'll need is about under $100 plus your phone. The only thing that changes if you have a camera is that you'll need a tripod. I'm a little bit overkill here where I have my cinema camera, which is a Canon C70, and a higher end tripod. But as you can see, you can record the exact same marketing videos with your phone, a photo stand, and a simple lav mic. So the final thing you'll need is a video editing software. And to make it easy, you can use programs like iMovie, which automatically comes with people who buy Macs, or Camtasia. And I'll leave links in the description below on how to use these editing software tools. Now that you know the gear and software you'll need, before you start filming, let's talk about video strategy. That includes your audience. Who are you targeting? Who do you want to watch your videos? What's their demographics? Their age, their gender, maybe their profession or income? And more importantly, what are their problems or issues that your product or service can solve? And where are they located? And what are your goals? Is it awareness? Is it communications? Is it sales? Is it promotions? What questions are you answering and what problems are you solving? Then how do you measure the success of your video? Is it by views? Is it by sales? Is it by overall awareness of your product or your business? And what channels are you planning to publish these videos on, which will impact the size of these videos? So for example, 16:9 or wide would be great on YouTube or on Facebook, but if you're planning to post on LinkedIn or Instagram, then a square video, so 1080x1080 would be better optimized. And if you're planning to post on Instagram Reels, Story, or TikTok, vertical format would be much better. And how long should these videos be? If you're planning to use them for digital ads, then usually less than 1 minute, probably even up to 30 seconds. If you're planning to use them for TikTok or Snapchat, probably less than 30 seconds or about 15 seconds. And if you're planning to use them for organic social posts, anywhere between a minute to 5 minutes is okay. It really depends on the information you're providing. One tip for you is try to batch record your videos. So 5, 8, 10 videos all at the same time. That way you can focus your time and resources on that one day of recording videos instead of trying to spread them out over weeks or over months. Now that we have our strategy in place, here are 5 key steps on creating any marketing videos that I learned while filmmaking. These steps are tried, tested, and true, and you can probably see elements of this on any successful marketing videos. The first step is to grab attention. This is especially true for any social channel where people are scrolling, where we have about 1 to 2 seconds to grab their attention. I like to start with stating the problem of our target audience, or using the technique called problem, agitate, solve, where I state the problem, then agitate it, and then solve it using the product or service that we're providing. The second step is state the solution. How does your business solve the problem of your audience? The next step is to add credibility. Why should people trust you to solve their problems? This is a great place to show how many years you've been in business, state your experience, or even add a quick testimonial. The next step is stating your features. What are the most important features of your product or service? This is a great place to showcase what makes you different than similar products or services in the market, and what are some of your unique value propositions. The final step is to have a clear call to action. What do you want the viewer to do after they watch the video? Is it go to your website, contact you, fill out a form, maybe book a demo? Whatever that is, make sure it's clear within the video. Now you know the gear and software to get, the strategy required, and the 5 key elements of any great marketing videos. You can now create them yourself. But that's just a start. Watch this video here as I go through filmmaking tips when shooting your next marketing video to increase their production value and make sure your video stands out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in our next video.